Hey guys, today we're looking at AKASO's brand new Brave 8 action camera. Here it is in the box. Let's get inside and have a look at it. So this camera's not even out yet, and AKASO kindly sent it to me for review and testing today. There it is, guys. God, the accessories are endless in this thing. Straps, mounts. So immediately you can see it looks very similar to mainstream action cameras. It's in a frame mount, so it's in like a protective case so that you can actually click it onto different things. Nice big screen on the front just here. There's the lens. Big screen on the back. That's also a touch screen. You can put it on a skateboard or a mountain bike, or I don't know, anything you can think of, skiing, any extreme sport, this would be ideal. Right, let's get it out of this case. Oh, that's a tight fit. Yeah, there we go. So you can see, actually, it's quite a small camera. This really is AKASO's brand new to the market flagship camera. It supports 4K 60 frames per second, and it also features the new SuperSmooth video technology, which means shaky video is a thing of the past. Little battery charge is so cool, look at that. Anyway, enough about me showing the camera, let's go and see what it can do.
Alright, so first test with the video capture on 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Let's see what this is like. Video test, 4K, 60 frames a second. How does it look on the new Brave 8 action camera? Up and down, here we go, round and round. Whee! Audio test as well. There's a lot of road noise in the background.
Cool, so now we have full control over the camera. You have a zoom button here, which allows you to see different perspectives. If you swipe in from the left to the right, you can change modes. You can also do that by pressing the mode button here. If you swipe in from the right, you'll see the videos you've already taken and you can watch them back. So if you swipe down from the top, you can go into the settings of the camera, turn on Wi-Fi, turn on voice control, lock the screens and go into the preferences. On the back here you can see that I've actually enabled a couple of things, so the remote control, the one-click fast shooting and the gyroscope. Now the reason I put the gyroscope on is so that when you've got the camera in a different position, it will then turn with you for the aspect that you want to film at. So if you've got this on a tripod or you've mounted it upside down, the video is still the correct way up. If you swipe in from the bottom, you can change the video camera settings. So in this instance, we're running 4K 60 frames, super smooth, and we've got everything else set to auto. The bit rate's high, colour's normal, and everything else is set to default. Audio is on stereo. If you want to enable the front screen, you press and hold the mode button just here. This is great for vlogging or for taking photos or selfies. You can do absolutely everything on the app that you can on the camera itself. So you can take videos and stop videos, you can take photos, you can adjust all of the settings and update the firmware. You can also watch and review all of the previous photos and videos you've captured. What we're doing here is just checking the low light camera footage to see how it comes out.
First impressions of the camera are actually really good because it's so easy to use. The controls are really friendly and the screen on the back is really bright so you can see what you're doing.
It certainly is a really good looking camera. So the first thing I want to say is how lightweight this camera is and how easy it is to use. I was really pleasantly surprised at the audio and the video quality, and the build quality for the camera is really good.